Let me take off the glasses. It's too shiny. Last week, I was showing you how to prioritize. I gave you a few of my templates, and I hope you did look at the templates, and I hope you did your homework. If you really are interested in an online business, then you have to make time to open whatever you need to open, even if it's a video, if it's a template, because everything I'm joining and giving you is to help you to become a successful affiliate. So what I'm going to do today, now that you know how much time you will spend on your online business, I want to ask you the question, can you start an affiliate marketing business with no money, no website? What's your answer? Yes, I'm going to show you that you can, and how, and right now. So let's look at a beginner who's starting an affiliate marketing program. I've been through this. I've been doing this for 5 years. There's the teary ways, there's the crying, there's the shouting, and then the frustration. And I think all of you know what I'm talking about. So today, I want to show you how you can start as a beginner with no money, no website. Just use the step-by-step process that I'm going to give you. Hi, I'm Loendi from Legit Blueprint. So welcome to my new video today, which is live. I'm excited that I can show you a step-by-step blueprint on how you can start making money online in 2021 with no website or no money in your pocket. If you're really focused, if you're really interested and you want to start, I have something at the end of this video or the live, so stay till the end and see what's my gift to you today. If you start an online business, like most of us think, let's just start an online business. But you can really focus on your business and you can turn it into a full-time business from an empty purse. You never have to pay billions, hundreds, thousands to start your online business. As I had to go through this process, fighting and struggling, I want to help you guys not to do the same mistakes. And how can you be much more faster successful than me? I've been in this for 5 years. The first 2 years was really tough. The more gurus I signed up with, the less I could get my business off the ground. And this is what I want to spare you. I know how difficult this could be if you're just starting out. There are lots of gurus telling you all about the different options you have and what you need to choose. This can all work out, and these are great ways to build an email list. But today, I will teach you how to start your business and make money online that does not require spending money, and you do not need your own website or own product. Just remember, this is not a get rich overnight. You will have to add some hard work into this business to make it work. Ask me. If I didn't put all my focus in and decided it's now or never, I might still be struggling with nothing to show. So I'm going to give you direction and a pathway that will help you in your journey to become a successful affiliate marketer. If you are ready for that and ready to start, you will love today's training. First, I want to share with you the method I currently use to make money online, and it works for me. This method is called affiliate marketing, where you do not need any products to sell. You send people to other people's products. And when they purchase the product, you will receive money. Because if the people buy the product or the program or the service from the company you send them to, the company will pay you a commission. This is one of the longest lasting methods on the internet. I know, and one of the best and fastest methods that a beginner can use to start their online business. Now, the best thing about affiliate marketing is because you send people to buy someone else's product, you don't need to deal with all the activities involved in direct selling, refunds, returns, as well as other customer issues and service. You do not need to deal with support or even the shipping of products, as the company is handling all of this. What makes this business so good is that you still get a cut of every purchase. Can you see this? You do not have to have any of this that I just mentioned, but still you will get a cut of the purchase. And this is the best thing. As with online marketing, the companies need people like me and you to sell their products online. They need eyeballs, they need people searching for them, people having problems who needs a solution. And this is where I and you come in. So this is a perfect method for me, especially as a beginner with no money to spare, by concentrating on sending people to other companies and earning a commission when they make a purchase. As a beginner, you need to focus on starting your business and promoting products without a website and free traffic. Traffic is the most important to get your business as an affiliate marketer going, and I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic. If you look at, we call it the shiny objects, there's a lot, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Munch Eye, and they tell you, press a button. In 3 simple steps, you will have all the traffic. Just do this and you will have traffic. And when you buy the product for quite a large amount, you open the product, they show you. You can use Pinterest, you can use Facebook, you can use your Google, you can use YouTube. But where's the traffic? You don't have traffic. And if you don't have traffic, so how does it work? And that's why I want to show you the easy way to get free traffic, even if you don't have. As a beginner, none of us start off with a huge list of people, email or traffic, or people just viewing our site. It's not really recommended as a beginner to use paid traffic because first, it's expensive, and second, there are pitfalls in finding the right supplier, and the success rate isn't that high. So first, let's look at free traffic. Well, you know now you don't need a product and you have people going to buy and sell or buy from other people. So now where do we get the traffic or the people that we will send to these products? With our link. A great source of free traffic is the social media community, and I found Facebook is still the best method to use as a beginner. The customers on Facebook are targeted, highly engaged customers, and they will follow you if they get answers to their questions. You can start your own group, or you can go into other groups with the same niche and answer their questions and add value to the group. You will find that this will attract customers to you. What you have to say is important, so add value to the group. You can even start your own Facebook group. Friend request the people, send them your link to your affiliate offer. Just be careful not to spam Facebook pages, as this is not allowed. Fan pages, well, are the only pages where they ask to see your content, and you will be allowed to post your link there. And I found this is the best way for free traffic and very targeted to my niche. If you do it right, your page can have a phenomenal growth in 1 to 2 months. I'm still using fan pages till today. Another method to gain free traffic is YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. If you grow your audience and you like your content and they trust you because of your honesty, then you can send them to your affiliate links. I personally like that method, and I do review videos and add my links below the video with my recommendation to the affiliate product. I support my audience and I help them when somebody asks me questions about certain products or they want to know about a problem, what is the solution. I'm searching for something and I'll make a video for them so that they can see I care about them as my audience. Well, so far I made more than 100 videos. I have 12,000 views and 300 subscribers to my YouTube channel. I never thought it will get to this, as I've started a few months ago and it was a struggle. But if you want me to help you, I'm here. I've been through it. I know what is the problems when you start new and nobody tells you what is the pitfalls. Well, today I had a lot to cover. So let's recap the steps you need to follow to become successful as an affiliate marketer. My plan today was to give you step by step what are the things you need to have a successful business. And that's why I want to recap to make sure you understand what I'm talking about. First, use affiliate marketing that you do not need to create your own product, website, or anything like that. You will find companies that you can partner with various products, which pays out every time your client purchases a product. You need to have a lifetime partnership with monthly recurring income. Focus on more than one affiliate product to promote, and you will get several commissions. I know, just have one product, get one commission, and that's it. Will definitely not grow your business. Now my next point. Generate free traffic from social media in a particular form from Facebook, posting in groups, building blogs, and answering people's questions and support groups. Thirdly, grow your YouTube channel by adding value and make reviews about the different products. This is another brilliant way of getting free traffic and promoting products. Now, at the end, there's a gift. Not really a gift, as you have to pay a little bit. If you are thinking of partnering with someone or even look for a mentor, I suggest my own partner program where I will support you to avoid the mistakes I made on my way. It's always easier to partner with someone who has done it and know the ropes. I will allow you into my ecosystem, sharing the affiliate products that make me an income. And I will also share my training material with you. Here is the deal. If you're interested in partnering with me, then I will support you. I want everyone to be able to join me and become successful without paying thousands of dollars. That is the reason for making this exceptionally low payment of only $5 per month. If you join my program for $5 a month, I will give you what you need and I will support you in every way I can. Everyone will be able to sign up and benefit. I really would love to be your mentor and supporting you all the way. With all this said, and if you are really committed to take the next step in making money from your online business as an affiliate marketer, below you will find a few additional useful links that you can use. If you found this valuable today, please give me a thumbs up, like my page, and subscribe and follow me. Until next Wednesday, think about it. How do you want to earn money? With who would you like to partner in future? See you next time on the other side of the screen.